Wake up.
Logan, you are here. I couldn't believe it when they told me. What are you doing?
Logan 6.
Well, it's not every day that they authorize a new Sandman. I tell you, Francis, that's him.
Well, maybe, maybe not. What does it matter? Anyway, he isn't yours anymore. All right, you want me to wake him?
Break in.
Now you've done it.
Scanners report intrusion. Identify.
Logan 5, Francis 7, authorized duty quadrant. Intrusion accidental.
Clear Logan 5. Clear Francis 7.
All right, Francis, I'm with you.
Only the crazies hang around Nursery. Anyway, there'll be a couple of new Sandmen in there tomorrow.
How do you know?
Some of our guys are on Carousel tonight, and Sandmen always renew, I know.
But you don't know. You just assume. 1 for 1. What everyone's been taught to believe. 1 for 1.
Well, why not? That's exactly how everything works. Keeps everything in balance. One is terminated, one is born. Simple, logical, perfect. You have a better system?
Of course not. At least I wonder about it sometime. Not like you with your automatic 1 for 1 routine. You sound like a sleep teacher with a stuck tape.
Logan, leave it alone. It's perfect. You know, Logan, you wonder a lot. Too much for a Sandman.
Look, why were you so angry just then? What did he do to you?
That Red's gonna run. I can always tell.
Did you ever see Francis 8?
I've never even visited Nursery before tonight. You know, when you question, it slows you down. I don't know. What makes you so curious? You know who his seed mother was?
Of course not. I'm curious, not sick.
Good. Look at the crowd. Good carousel tonight.
Last day. Capricorn 15s. Year of the city, 2274. Carousel begins.